Hi, do you remember me? My name is Guy Berry, and you attended one or more of my legal or contract training classes in the past. And about 5 years ago, you purchased one of my CD coaching programs on the 2007 car contract. I'm sure you know there's been major revisions in the 2010 version. So this means that your CD program is way out of date. You'll be glad to know that I went back into the recording studio and recorded a new coaching program covering all the important changes in the contract, and most importantly, how best to explain them to your clients. Here are 6+ hours of new material and stories to tell your clients where I cover the car contract line by line, and as good as the old set was that you got, this one's even better. I explain the changes and relate them to some of the current litigation cases I'm working on. For example, do you know there's a new requirement that the buyer and their agent must ensure that all inspectors carry liability and workman's comp insurance? Are you doing that? Have you made sure that all your favorite inspectors have insurance, including E&O? And as a listing agent, have you insisted that all the buyer's inspectors show evidence insurance before they come on your seller's property? Also, did you know the contract requires the seller provide copies to the buyer of all receipts received for work done by others, as well as separate written lists of work the seller did themselves prior to the walkthrough? As a listing agent, are you providing these? As a buyer's agent, are you asking for these? These are just two examples of hundreds of little things that I do in this coaching program. The new package not only includes the 6+ hours of contract coaching, but it also includes a series of fabulous bonuses at no extra charge. These bonuses were not included in the old program you purchased. Like bonus number 1, I've included a special training called the 10 Biggest Deal Killers. In it, I identify the primary causes of why deals fall apart, how to anticipate them, and best of all, the best way to avoid them. If this program saves you even one deal over your entire career, it alone is worth thousands of dollars to you. Then there's bonus number 2. I'll include my coaching program on condos, townhouses, and homeowners associations. I talk about condo PUD law, reading the statements, the financial statements, reserve studies, the effect of REO and short sales, past, current, and contemplated litigation, lender issues, and so much more. I can assure you that after listening to this CD, you will come out feeling like an expert and ready to take on any property with an HOA. Or it's also possible that you may never want to sell one of these things ever again. Either way, you come out a winner. Then bonus number 3 is the duplex income property CD. Sometime in your career, you'll be asked to help a client buy or sell a duplex, fourplex, or larger property. Most agents have no idea how to handle these sales properly. So I will include my exclusive CD coaching program on selling and buying income property. It tells you what to ask for, how to analyze the seller documents, contract changes you need to make, and so much more. It will provide you a step-by-step program including insider secrets that top commercial agents would never tell you, with hundreds of ideas of how best to represent your clients. Lastly, and maybe the most valuable bonus, is after listening to any one of these programs, you're still struggling with a paragraph or a concept or in the middle of a deal and it's complicated. You can call me directly for a one-on-one personal consultation if you own my coaching CD program. Imagine having me available to you on your transaction. How much is that worth? With this new program and all the bonuses, you must be wondering, how can you ever afford this new series? You know, working with my vendors and volume discounts, I've been able to price it so that every agent, no matter whether they're seasoned or a brand new, can afford this program. But here's the really good news. I've just gone through a rebranding of Guy Berry. You may have noticed my new glasses, my bow tie, and the fact that I've lost 50 pounds. I'm also redesigning my logos and website as well as the covers for all my coaching CD programs. Here's the current contract CD design, and here's the new one. This is where you come out a winner. I so love this new look that I want to place a reorder for the contract CDs, but I have a little less than 200 with the old design. So I'm going to do something really crazy. If you order now or until I run out, I'm going to offer you the 6 CD contract training CDs, the condo CD, the income property CD, the 10 Biggest Deal Killers CD, for an unbelievable price of $69. Yes, I said $69. That's about $8 a CD. Crazy, right? And you still get to consult with me for 1 year. I also wanted to remind you that all the programs are now available on MP3 for you younger people in the crowd. So there are 3 ways you can order. 1, invest with CDs only for $69. Number 2, invest MP3 only, $69. Or the third way, if you're like so many other agents, you want CDs for your car and MP3 for your digital device, take option 3 where you get both for only $99 instead of $129. That's about half price. Remember, this is a limited offer and will expire when I run out of product with the old cover. Remember, the product's exactly the same, it just has the old cover on it. Don't miss out on this one-time amazing opportunity. You know you need it, your clients deserve it. So act now before we run out by clicking on the link below, order my coaching program. And remember, I'm Guy Berry, the real estate guy, the legal guy, and the good guy. See you next time.